So a quick update for my game gen and try my third day game. It's much better than it was in my last update, and I added like the first level for now, and the entire game core loop here is working. The player can, let's show it, right? So the player can move around, can use the palm light, and they have this beautiful scenario here. You can scare off the ghouls or the creatures. You can die, you can go on that. You can lure creatures into the, or lure or make them go towards those spikes, and you need to avoid them. And that's so. And whoa, I got myself stuck here. And I have the beacon unlocking here. I need to make sure those creatures are not getting inside, so it will go faster if I hold down key on my playtest here. And when I unlock it, it will remove those nearby things and remove the blocker I had here. It's not a good lock and key position the first time here, but yeah, that's it for the first level and for my first update. And if I die, I will return on my last beacon that I finished. And the creatures will be there as well. I can still go around and move here. I got some collectibles here, so the player can collect. No interface for now, and that's it for my entry to the gem. There is a, you can playtest it here. I will put the link and the password on my YouTube channel, so you can playtest it if you want on itchy.io. Okay, it runs on browser, and I still have 1 day and 11 hours to finish this. I will not work that all the time. I have quite a bit time to work, but that's it. Wait a bit, Noah. I'm finishing here, my son. That's it for now. My update for my game here, and I like it for a game gen. It's a really nice game. So, see you.